If you've ever created a worksheet and wanted to make it fillable to send it out to your clients, I'm going to show you how to do that here, and I'm going to help you do it for free. We're going to open up a worksheet first that you've created. I have one here that I have created. It's part of my Brand in a Box series. This is from the Morgan collection, and I'm going to just make this so it's ready to put those fillable fields in. Let me show you what I'm going to do. My template that I created does have lines here, so if you ever just wanted to print it out, your clients could print it out. They have that ability, but we're going to come and make this into a box that just has an open field without lines. That's going to work best for the online editor fillable form that we're going to create. So I'm just going to zoom in here so you can see it easier. I'm just going to create a box, and I just hit the R on my keyboard. And now I'm just going to slide over the top of these lines that are already set up for me. And I'm going to leave those lines there in case I want to use them again, but I'm going to change this box to the background color. Let me bring it up. And then I'm going to put a line around it. So right here, this is where I changed the color. And then I'm going to come up here to these lines and put an outline on it. I'm going to choose a color in my that's already in my document. And I want it to be kind of a thin line here. So I'm just going to hit 2. Now that I have this box made, I can just copy it, Command C, then come down here and Command V. And I'm just going to bring it here, make it fit over the top, and then Command C, Command V, copy it, slide it over the top, and do the same here. All right, now that I have those boxes ready, I'm going to come up here in the right-hand corner and I'm going to download as a PDF. So just make sure that's selected. PDF standard is just fine. And then the pages that you want to download. So if there's any of those pages that aren't included, like I don't need that page 7, I'm going to hit done and download. Now go to sejda.com. It's SEJDA. And sign up for an account. I have mine here. This is free. You don't have to put in your credit card or any information here. And now I'm going to say edit a PDF document. And I'm going to upload the file that I just downloaded. And now I'm going to scroll through and scroll down until I see those boxes that I created. Okay, so here's the first box. I'm going to come up to this first line and I'm going to select forms. And then I'm going to do text multi-line. And then that is, I can drag this. And then you'll see this bar right here while it's selected, come to font size and then adjust that size down to whatever you think is best for your clients and what you want. You can also center, left justify. I'm going to leave it left justified like this. And then you can change the color of the text if you'd like. Now there's also this duplicate the field. I'm going to duplicate that and then I'm going to scroll down to my next page and click that in. Then I'll resize it so it fits this box better. Duplicate again, slide it there and make it fit by pulling that up. Okay, once I have that done, now I can just come and download the file to my system, to my computer, to my files, and then I'm able to attach that in an email and send it out to my clients. So let's give it a try. Let's see what happened. So I have Adobe Acrobat, and that's where I view my PDF. So that's where it's opening up here for me. I'm just going to come and test it out and see how it goes. Yeah, it looks really nice. All those fields are fillable. Now you have a worksheet that you're going to feel so much more professional sending out to your clients, and they're going to love that they can use it right away.